Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Recap, covering market moves in indexes, sectors, technology, crypto, currencies, and commodities. Today is Thursday, December 4th, 2025. Kicking things off, I'm Max Profit. Key indexes were mostly up. The S&P 500 index closed at 6,857.96, rising by 8.24 points. The Dow 30 index dipped slightly by 31.98 points to 47,850.93. Meanwhile, the Nasdaq Composite Index gained 51.4, ending at 23,505.14. All showed a strong positive trend. Market breadth revealed a mixed picture today. The Russell 2000 index showed more strength as advances outpaced declines, contributing to a new all-time high closing at 2,531.16. Meanwhile, the Dow 30 index faced more declines than advances, reflecting today's minor setback. In total and daily returns, the Russell 2000 index led with a weekly return of 1.23%. The Nasdaq Composite Index showed 0.6% weekly gains. The Dow 30 index had modest daily returns, reinforcing a very strong positive trend across these major indexes. Industrials topped the best performers, closing up 6.63 points at 1,309.13. Technology gained 24.86 points to end at 5,752.75, showcasing a positive trend. Communication services made an upward breakout with a 1.89-point rise to 456.59, underpinning a strong positive movement. In contrast, the healthcare sector lost 13.20 points, closing at 1,790.76 despite an overall positive trend. The consumer defensive sector faced a downward breakout, decreasing by 6.40 points to 871.96. Utilities dropped slightly, marked by downward volatility, closing at 441.78. Among global markets, Brazil iShares ETF surged 0.52 to 34.72, marking a one-year high close. Japan rose by 1.1 to end at 83.62. Sweden displayed a strong positive movement, breaking out with a gain of 0.32 to finish at 48.9. In total returns, Brazil iShares ETF excelled with a year-to-date return of 54.24%. Sweden and Japan displayed solid performances with 28.82% and 24.62% yearly returns respectively, accentuating their very strong positive trends. In today's technology segment, Apple closed at 280.70, down by 3.45, marking a second consecutive decline, yet remains in a very strong positive trend. Alphabet closed the day at 318.39, decreasing by 2.23, with a very strong positive trend despite a flat price over the past 3 days. Amazon ended at 229.11, dropping 3.27, marking a second day of decline, but broke out downward from a 3-day flat stretch, indicating a mixed positive trend. Meta Platforms gained momentum, closing up at 661.53, increasing by 21.93, with a mixed negative trend, but showed strong upward volatility, breaking out from a flat 3-day period. Nvidia saw an upward move, closing at 183.46, up 3.87, with a mixed negative trend breaking upward from a 3-day flat phase.
Checking out crypto, I'm Timothy Satoshi. Bitcoin is currently at 92,309.78, down over 1,218 points today. Ethereum shows mixed trends with upward volatility, while staying at 3,134.85. BNB at 899.83 and Solana at 139.59, Both follow the downward trend today. Dogecoin rounds out the declines with vibrant volatility. Cryptocurrency trends show varied returns. Bitcoin marks a total return of 2.12% week to date. Ethereum leads gains week to date with a 4.78% rise. BNB follows closely, while Solana posts a 4.58% gain. Dogecoin has the weakest year-to-date return, losing significant ground at 53.14%.
For a look at foreign exchange, I'm Victoria Cashmore. The US dollar shows varied performance against key world currencies today. Against the euro, it is currently at 0.8587, losing 0.0013, continuing a downward streak for 5 days. Meanwhile, it strengthened against the British pound, rising to 0.7503, up 0.0014. Mixed trends indicate inconsistency across these markets.
I'm Max Profit, along with our AI hosts Timothy Satoshi and Victoria Cashmore. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check in weekdays after 4 p.m. New York time for daily market reports with in-depth stock, index sector, crypto, currency, and commodity coverage. Thanks for watching.